The 50-year-old received the Lifetime Achievement honor at the Bet Soul Train Awards on Sunday night. The superstar was accompanied on the special night by her baby sister, Tamar. Both ladies looked dazzling in a pair of glistening gowns that stood them out on the red carpet at the Orleans Arena in Las Vegas. Toni was resplendent in a shimmering sheer silver gown with cutaway sides and a plunging neckline. Tamar, 40, was equally eye-catching in a figure-hugging, sleeveless green and silver bejeweled gown. While Toni's black hair was worn long and poker straight, Tamar's fiery red lock bounced in voluminous curls. Toni's sons, 14-year-old Diesel Kentucky and 15-year-old Denim Cole Braxton Lewis, whom she shares with ex-husband Kerry Lewis, were also on hand to support their mom. Among the guests witnessing the honor was Jessie J, who looked gorgeous in a plunging floor-length maroon gown. In a career now spanning more than 2 decades, Toni has accumulated sales of 68 million records worldwide. She has had 5 top 5 albums in the US charts, including her #1 self-titled debut offering back in 1993. In 1996 she scored back-to-back #1 singles with the global smash hit Unbreak My Heart and the double-A side You're Making Me High Let It Flow. Toni started her music career as part of a group, the Braxtons, with her 4 sisters Tracy, Towanda, Trina, and Tamar. The girls reunited in 2011 for the reality show Braxton Family Values, along with their mother Evelyn. Tamar, meanwhile, is currently dealing with family drama of her own, having filed for divorce from husband of 9 years Vincent Herbert less than 2 weeks ago.